This is the copy segment construction. So in the copy segment construction, you start with an original segment here. And we're going to make another copy. So when we start, I'm going to need a line to build this copy on. Now don't worry, you actually want your line to be longer than your original line. Notice how I didn't really measure. Okay, we are not going to use the numbers on the edge of the compass. So what we're going to do is I used a straight edge to draw a line longer than the original, and I put a point on it, and I label it point C. Then I want to go ahead and make sure I have the same distance down here as I had up here. The only way you should be measuring with your compass is by making a radius that matches. So here we go. The way you can tell it matches, I slid this so it went right over that edge right there. So now you can see that the radius of this circle right here is equal to this length. I'm going to write radius on here. Okay, so I'm going to make the same arc, part of the same type of size circle down here. I put the center on point C and go like that. Since I didn't change the compass, we know that the radii are the same. This is the radius for this circle, that's the radius for that circle. And I put a point D here at the intersection, so that's on the edge of the circle. That's the point B on the edge of that circle. So these two are congruent. AB is congruent to CD. And that's basically it. Straight edge to make your starting line. Put your center here and make your point C. Put your center here, measure this, make an arc, and then come down here and make exactly the same arc right there, and you're done. I'll do one more example for you. We'll do this little line right here. So if it's a short line, don't worry if it's longer. There we go, that's definitely longer. I'm going to measure from here to here. So center goes on one end. Adjust this so the hole goes right over it, and make your arc. I'll put my point right there, put the center right on top of it, and make my arc. Notice there are two holes, so make sure you use the same one for both arcs. Both arcs are the same length, so these two segments are congruent.